Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well today. I'm here today to share with you my craft room. It's been highly requested. It's been a while. I haven't done a craft room share. The last one I did was back about 3 years ago in 2013, and a lot has changed since then. So let me go ahead and share with you my room, how it looks now. So here is the entryway when we walk in. This is actually my dining room, so I do craft in my dining room. And here are some projects that I have made. And you've probably recognized them if you follow me for a while. There is a table that my hubby picked up at the garage sale. I was asking him I needed a table for my sewing machine, and he got this one, but because it has that little shelf in the bottom, it's really uncomfortable to try to sew in. And I love that it has drawers. And it looks so vintage looking. It's so beautiful. I love it. So this is part of my little embellishment station, you know, I use for decorations and my milk glass collection. Here is some more things that I have. I altered that mail box. There's a box, the round box gifted to me by Mario Miss Cooper's Coop. I got some more milk glass pieces, and I added some dangles, and that bird cage I altered. That little box was a swap with Michelle Randolph, and those letters I altered. Here is a pocket wall hanging that was gifted to me by Anna. Hi Anna. And here's some more. So I switched everything around, more milk glass pieces. I have my current projects that I want to work on and some scraps. And then here is my candy station. So let me go ahead and open the door so you can see better. There's not so much of a glare. A lot of milk glass pieces. And this one, more milk glass. Let me close that. Then here is some more projects that I bought. The piece one, oops, sorry. The piece one is the one that I bought from KSP by Louisa. That peach one was gifted to me by Janelle. She's Craft Sponge here on YouTube. The door was a swap with Denise Ramirez. And then here's some more projects and milk glass. Those are cards that I have received. I made the teapots, and that's wall hanging right there. And also made the heart. And then here is where I keep my paper and stuff. I just keep it there. No big deal. Let's see, focuses. Okay. And then up there I have a couple of things that was given to me by Malika, who is Outlaw DIY here on YouTube. Here are more cards that I have received. My faith banner made by me by Anna, Serenity Creations, in our swap. Some hearts, stuffed hearts, gifted to me by Anna and by Lisa's Paper Passion. This little ballerina ornament was gifted to me by Amy, Little Paper Princess here on YouTube. And then there's a wall hanging, Selena wall hanging, and a swap that I did with Rena, who is Scrapbook Fashionista by Rena. My desk. Here's where I do my silhouette creations and my paying bills and all that good stuff. This is an embellishment book that Anna made for me. And here's a beautiful lamp my hubby picked up for me at a flea market. Beautiful, I love it. This crate or this shelving unit I bought at Target. It was black and I spray painted it white. There you see spray paint because I have a few things I need to spray paint. And there is my machines, my sewing machine, my Cricuts, and my silhouettes. I use my silhouettes so much, and those are the dies that I use the most, so I keep them there. Here is another embellishment station. And then those drawers, it's a hot mess, but in the bottom drawer I keep all of my excess jewelry stuff. The middle drawer is my glimmer mist and some of my tools, like my glue gun and all that. The top drawer is my adhesive, my stamps, my stamping blocks, my inks, not my stamps, my inks and my stamping blocks is there. And then some projects I made, like the bowl and drawers there. I made that as well. And so you can see. I love it. This is my happy place. This is where I craft. My hubby got this from a garage sale as well. I think it matches well with what I already have going on. So I have all of my, I keep my regular laces separate from my Venice trims and stuff, my fancy laces. I keep them there because that's where I go to most. And then here I have more trims and stuff. And here's my little cubby thing with some. That's a thank you box that I received from Natalie, who has put something on it, and then an altered book box swap from Natalie as well. And here I keep all of my jewelry stuff, my beads and stuff like that. And then this was gifted to me as well by Anna. She's Anna Yanis here on YouTube. And then my milk glass pieces. So yeah. I have this spacious view. But yeah, but this is my table, and I have a what they call this, portrait window. Yeah, that portrait window. So I like to craft. I try to craft now during the day. I don't craft so much at night, but during the day after I do all my housework and chores and stuff like that. But this is my table. This is where my creative juices come to. It sits 12 people. So yeah, it's a big table and it's a lot to clean up. So I love how this looks right now. And so yeah, and let's see, I do entertain here, so I just clean everything up and I just put it in the back behind the blinds, and then we move the table towards the middle, and I put a different tablecloth. That tablecloth I did make. I use a bed skirt that I purchased from it's overstock.com, and it took me all day to make it, to put it together. But yeah, this is how my space looks. I love it. It's my beautiful space. And I will put the links down below of how it originally looked like the first time, and also when I first put everything together to create the space. And then this is how it looks like now. So I did add some pieces. So alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. And I'll see you next time. Bye.